to my channel, Diamond Loose Fireworks. Tonight's video is by Pyro Diablo. The name of the cake is Heroes. We got Captain America there. 21 shots. Alright, it's also a directional cake right here. It's faced towards spectators. And then we open it up. Let's take a look here. 21 shots. 30 seconds. Noise 8 out of 10. Fan cake, and it has height. And on the other side, there's the performance. You can look through it, pause the video. I'd rather just show you what it does. Let's open it up. This is the way it's going to be facing towards spectators. Tubes look pretty good. It's going to be dark here in a few minutes. Let's get this lit and we'll see what it does. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Heroes by Pyro Diablo.